Hello and Namaste. This is Rojan Tiwari, a recent high school graduate and a NASA certified citizen scientist from Pokhara, Nepal. Most people see garage as a repairing place, but I saw it as my first laboratory where I learned various mechanical systems by working as an assistant mechanic for 5.5 months. In my spare time, I tinker and build, make sugar rocket motors, sketch rocket concepts and watch dial designs, practice ambidextrity and mirror writing, learn small musical instruments, develop conlang, and I'm constantly planning next engineering projects in my free time. Besides this, I busy myself in watching rocket documentaries and videos related to competitions like International Rocket Engineering Competition organized by ISRA. Since I have been trying to build rocket of my own for years, ESC will finally put me in a real rocket engineering environment with like-minded people. I want to work closely with ISA mentors and learn from them and bring that knowledge back to Nepal, where the space community is still very small and young. ESC will allow me to understand real rocket engineering before I enter the university, and it will be a massive leap toward my long-term goal of contributing to humanity's journey beyond the Earth. In 20 years, I see myself operating a space technology company focused on orbital factories, in-space manufacturing, mining, and midway refueling stations for long-distance rocket travel. In the span of 20 years, I aim for astronaut and a pilot, which will allow me to connect global network of people who will one day join me in shifting industries from Earth to space. Throughout these years, I have built ionic thruster, acoustic levitator, water rocket, sugar rocket, and weeds pump. These all engineering projects helped me in winning regional science fair consecutively for the year 2023, 24, and 25. Along with this, I have participated in Nepal Astronomy Olympiad, Nepal Young Physicist Tournament, and I was selected as a delegate to represent Nepal in Milset Expo Sciences International 2025. This is Rojan Tiwari signing off, and I hope to be in Andøya to break and tear the sky apart above us. Thank you, and thank you for considering my application.